Hello everyone, today I'll present to you some of our solutions custom made for epoxy, paint and glue applications. So basically what we're going to do here is talk about how do you remove these things from tools and parts in an environmental friendly way. All our solutions are without strong and flammable solvents. We are not using acetone or IPA or other dangerous solvents which you would really like to avoid because of the work environment and also the cleaning ability is sometimes actually not the best. For this, many of our solutions or chemical and machine solutions are better than if you use acetone often. In this machine, I'm now going to load some parts. I'm so lucky that I got some parts from a customer here. And these parts I'm going to clean today for you. It's a 2-component paint they're using for decoration of parts in their workshops. So basically they're producing toys. And these toys they're decorating with paints, depending on what kind of model it is. And the tools for this, we are cleaning. I'm gonna take it off here. Then we're gonna take 2 cups. Basically, there's a lot of paint on these cups. So first, I'll do like they do, remove the majority. Gonna do that over here. So, oh, this was a white paint, as you can see. I'll just take the majority. You don't have to do this. It's just because the less paint we put into our machine, the less contaminated our chemical get and the longer time you can use it, which reduces your chemical consumption. But if you don't want to have a manual operation like this, well, then just don't. You can remove it anyways. This cup is ready now. I'm gonna put it over here on the holder. And I'm gonna take the next cup. This is with a yellow paint. Again, we'll remove the majority of the paint. And I'm gonna put it here. So now I have the cups. In this system, they are cleaning 10 cups at a time. And we're gonna do like this. Then we're gonna push in the platform. This is the washing section. In the washing section, we are using a non-flammable, low-temperature water-mixable solvent. That means we are running at about 40 degrees. You can mix it with water, and there is not really any bad labeling. So this is a product we really like to use, if possible. I'm gonna start the machine now. So basically, I'm gonna first lower the lid. So now the lid is lowering. Then we are pushing the start button, and the machine is running. While it's running, the washing process, which will take about 15 minutes, I'm going to take off the gloves and we're going to go over here. But besides the ultrasonic cleaning systems we are designing for this paint and epoxy removal, we are also designing some spray washers. It all depends on the part geometry. Do we have a hard or soft paint? Can we spray the chemical? Can we not spray the chemical? All of these things determines what solution we take. What is special is all the machines are custom made so they can handle this epoxy and glue, which is normally the issue. This means that we have special sealings, we have some special pumps which are made for this application, and also everything from parts to level sensors on the system is chosen with care. This has a 2-layer system. What we're going to do is here we're going to clean some tools for the automotive industry. The machine is going to Sweden. These tools are actually being used in a part of a battery production where they are using also 2-component glues. And this is PU glues. So these machines are done yet. I just want to show it to you so you can see that we are working with about 5 to 6 different solutions for this niche. And now let's go back because I think the other machine is done. So now we're going to have to rinse the parts. And the rinsing is with pure water because the solvent we are using are 100% water dissolvable. So now let's open the lid so that we can move the clean platform to the rinsing stage because we had to remove the cleaning chemical. So it's nice to work with the part afterwards. So the platform is now up in top position. Basically, this platform moves down to the tank automatically, starts agitating up and down while having ultrasound to clean. When it's done, it moves up automatically, and the operator will just push it over here with the 2 clean cups. And now we're going to rinse them to remove the chemical. And then I'll start the machine. As you can hear, now the ultrasound has started. Now the rinsing process is ongoing. And when we're done with the rinsing, it will take about 5 minutes. Then the cup should be nice and clean. While the rinsing is going on, now we took a look at the other machine while we were washing. I'll explain you now a little bit about this machine. So in this machine, we have a big fume hood on top. This fume hood is used because normally paints and glues, these things are kind of smelly. So we want to contain it. On the fume hood, we have a ventilator. On each tank, we have a draining pump, so we can automatically drain the tanks. This pump is specially made for handling heavy contaminated water, which contains glues and epoxy, whatever, you name it. Behind the machine, we have the cylinders moving up and down, making the agitation while cleaning. And on the other side, we have all the equipment for the washing. We have a draining pump, also a filtration unit, because inside the washing chamber, we need filtration. Because over time, the paint can start to dry up and become particles. And at this point, we want to filter it away in a particle filter. Also, this was liquid paint, but these machines are also being used to clean fully cured resins, glues, and paints. The fully cured ones are being removed in flakes, and these flakes, they have to be filtrated away, otherwise they just go to the bottom and clog up. So this is very important. Yep. Let's go back. I think the rinsing is over now. So while we're just waiting for the platforms to move into position, now open the cover again. And then let's have a look at the cup. So, there's still some water on it because I've been rinsing in cold water. But look, it's completely clean. We have removed all the paint. So I believe the customer will be happy. If you look at the other tank here, you can see how the paint is actually also here floating the top of the washing liquid, the chemical. Thank you. That was it for today. I hope you like our cleaning systems, custom made for epoxy resins, 2 components, glues, paints, whatever you do within composites, we can help you.